Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a puppy. Hey, say hi. So we got a 5-month-old black lab. He was born on January 11th. Today is June 11th. Today on Facebook Marketplace, some lady posted that it was urgent. She had to get rid of him because her situation changed and she could no longer have 3 dogs. He's already so smart. He knows sit and shake. Alex isn't home yet. My friend Rebecca went with me after work to pick him up, and I was gonna do a quick haul before Alex gets home. And then when Alex gets home, I'll show you guys him meeting. His name right now is Remy, but Alex wants to change that. So we'll see what his name is in a week from now.
Oh, he loves you. Huh? Oh. Here you go. Here you go, Matt. Hey, Remy, over here.
Would you like a treat?
Hi. Hey, someone's here to meet you. Come on, let's go meet your dad. Come on.
Hi, mister.
Say hi.
Hi, mister. Nice to meet you. Hey, May.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is June 29th and we just got our Amazon packaging. And Alex already opened it. Him with his balancing bird. So we've had Ripley for roughly 2 weeks now. I think this Wednesday will be 2 weeks. I ordered a dog DNA test. And I just found it on Amazon. It was one that had like the best reviews. So it was a little more expensive. Take this off. I haven't opened it yet. But it says that it should be able to test for over 250 plus breeds. And you can discover their ancestry and family tree back to great grandparents and connect with other pups' relatives. So it's basically ancestry for your dog. So this is the inside. Make sure it's been 30 minutes since your pup last ate, which we think it has been. Swab the lower cheek pouches for 30 to 60 seconds
Oh, wow.
to fully soak the sponge. Insert swab into the tube facing down, close cap, and shake 10 times. Reward your dog on a job well done. All right, buddy, here we go. Hi, mister, open up. Good teeth, open up.
Those.
Hi, Ripple. Oh, he's actually really letting me go to town on this.
Yes, you got 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good boy, Ripple.
Ew. I hate to smell his breath.
Let's figure out what he is. What are you?
I definitely shook it more than 10 times.
Oh, why'd you do that?
Because I forgot to count. Then it says put in the bag.
Baggy?
Seal.
Seal, baggy.
Good job, buddy. Place in here. Postage is already taken care of. Just gotta drop it in the box tomorrow.
Cool. Any last words?
I want people to take a guess on what they think he is. What do you think you are, Mr. Ripple? Is the cutest, best dog ever?
100%.
100%. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is July 28th, and it's been a while since we filmed last, but we just got the notification that Ripley's DNA results are finally in. I feel like we've been waiting forever for this, and Alex.
What's up?
Just got back from the gym, so we're gonna open them. So I just clicked sign in, and it's literally right under my hand. So I covered it. I didn't see anything yet, just a bunch of colors, but let's take our final guess on what Ripley is. Alex, what are you guessing?
I think he's got some pit bull in him.
Yeah. I think he's looking more and more pit bullish as he's getting older. Ripley, ew.
But he could be 100% black lab. Who knows?
All right, I'm nervous to flip the screen up and see what it is because I'm scared that we wasted our money and that it's just going to say he's like 100% poodle. Something completely irrelevant that
Dog.
we know he's not.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it. Okay. 36.8% pit bull. Okay. 10% wiener dog. Ripley. Get out of this house. We hate wiener dogs.
Wait, what?
9.2% cocker spaniel. What's a Lhasa Apso? 7% Great Dane pit. Called that. 6.6% terrier. We've also thought that because his long snout and little head. 6.6% chow chow and 16.1% super mutt. Aw, buddy, you big mutt. Okay, so this is kind of cool. There's like DNA relatives, and this dog named Jack is also a mixed breed. And when we clicked on it, first of all, it says that Ripley is as closely related to Jack as like we would be with our first cousins, but Jack is also in Jacksonville, Florida. So kind of interesting, and it gives me the option to message them, so maybe I will, so we can get a picture.
Yeah, they like just did this.
They just did it, so it really could be like one of Ripley's cousins. My big mutt.
Super mutt.
Super mutt. But yeah, so we might do another one sometime. It'll be interesting to compare the two. I do have a code for this, so I'll drop that somewhere in the description. So if you do it with your dog, you'll actually get $50 off. And you'll get a $10 Amazon gift card. That's pretty cool. Wish I would have had someone's code to use because I think it was $100 and I got it on Amazon. So this would make it half price. Yeah, so I'll drop that code in the description somewhere. We might do another one. If we do, we'll definitely compare the two. But for now, we just have our little super mutt. See you next time.